How to damp dust with Phenomenal. Take the Phenomenal bottle, Phenomenal packet, and spray nozzle from your fabric care kit. Fill the bottle with water, stopping when it reaches the bottom of the large text. Next, you will open the Phenomenal packet and empty the contents into the Phenomenal bottle. Secure the spray nozzle onto the bottle and twist the tip of the nozzle to open it. Shake the bottle to mix the Phenomenal concentrate with the water. Now that your cleaner is made, mist a small amount on to a white towel. Then, wipe the surface of your furnishings with the towel in the same motion as you would dust a tabletop. Be mindful of the fabric type, as even something as seemingly harmless as damp dusting can fray delicate fibers if too much force is used. Whenever the towel gets dirty, fold the towel to a clean side, mist again with the cleaning agent, and continue dusting. Depending on how dirty your furnishings are, you may need more than one towel. Keep damp dusting until no more dirt or oil is transferring to the towel. Damp dusting is a crucial step in maintaining your fabrics to ensure they stay looking their best. Damp dusting can increase the longevity of your furnishings, allowing them to look newer for longer. It is a great way to freshen up fabrics in between cleanings. You will be surprised at how much soiling you can remove from just the surface of your furnishings. Let us know what other topics you would like us to cover in the comments.